When I think about the need to have more of a product that can be configured and customized, I imagine that you guys are dealing with a large volume of SKUs and options, and even like add-on products that go with it. How do you manage that complexity?
It's an ongoing target. We have over 30,000 SKUs. Um, our product range also goes outside of the traffic control stuff. So there are other more complex products that really add to that difficulty. We do use a full-blown ERP system where we track everything that comes into the warehouse, where it is in the warehouse, when it gets moved, where it gets moved, when it gets consumed, and eventually when it gets shipped out.
So investing in automation has definitely helped, and I bet you've developed a lot of processes around, how do you make sure you're staying on top of all of the orders and customer requirements and stuff like that.
There's definitely a lot of processes in place. We do track down to the day, late on time, and what's coming the next day or week. It is definitely in need of more automation every day as the complexity grows, and as we venture into figuring out how to best remove errors, process it quicker. We're coming across different technologies every day to help us do that.
I mean, I imagine in your business, the safety requirements of your products are very high. Like having a failure rate of something that's telling people that the lane is closed, it's got to be pretty close to zero.
It is. I mean, it is a LED light installed in there, so can it fail? Definitely. The life cycle of an LED light of that build is pretty long, so even if one goes out, the message still comes across really easily to a driver that they need to switch lanes.